First, open your browser and go to Playbot Pro. Click Login if you have an account. Otherwise, click Get Started to create one. Next, open the menu and go to Apps. Find Shopify and open it. Now enter your Shopify store domain and click Connect with Shopify. This will link your store with Playbot Pro. Once connected, select the webhooks that Playbot Pro should listen to. Enable only the events you need. Next, choose the order statuses for which you want to send WhatsApp notifications. Now select a WhatsApp template. If you do not have a template, create one first and then come back and select it. After selecting the template, map the variables with the relevant order data. You can also adjust these values manually if needed. Once everything is done, click Save. Now place a test order in your Shopify store. When a customer places an order, a WhatsApp notification will be sent automatically. Notifications will also be sent for all the order statuses you selected. Next, we'll go to the Shopify admin panel and fulfill an order. Once the order status is updated to fulfilled, we can check if the notifications are sent as we configured. We've received the notifications. In the same way, you can set up your business too.